Hi, welcome back to the Keto's YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at certificate web enrollment for your ADCS. And no, when I'm talking about that, I'm not talking about this old website that it comes with Windows and you can use it, but only if you're using Internet Explorer. And it looks like it's a website that can only run in Internet Explorer. Instead, we're going to use EZCA. So how does EZCA work? You're probably familiar with EZCA as a cloud CA, but what a lot of people don't know is we can also connect to existing ADCS deployments. So let's say you have your on-premises CA that is issuing certificates to devices and everything, but you want to enable it either for users or for web applications. This is where EZCA comes in. So, we are going to create an on-premise agent, which is pretty simple. It's just an IIS server that is connected to your certificate authority. And how it works is your users are going to go to EZCA. They're going to authenticate with Entra ID, conditional access, like if it's 2024 or 2025, whenever you're watching this. And then that it's going to go to ADCS and request a certificate. In this video, I'm not going to go through how to set up the agent. Honestly, it doesn't take that long, assuming you have the right permissions in your domain and you're a little bit familiar about how GMSAs and everything work. We do have step-by-step, click here, do this. This is how you create the templates and stuff, documentation. So just follow this. You should be done in less than an hour. But once you have that configured, and then the connection to the ADCS, same. We have a video. I'm going to link this video down below of explains how to connect to the agent. Same, pretty straightforward. But once you have all that set up, then you go to EZCA. And EZCA, the cool thing about EZCA is that it allows you to have domain ownership. So let's say I'm creating certificates for a specific domain, and I'm going to be the owner of that. So let's say I'm the owner of Tiffy, which is a nickname for certificate, our mascot. So if you don't know it, check out the videos. We make really funny videos with him. But basically, let's say I'm the owner of Tiffy, that is an internal domain. And here I can enter who are the owners, who has permission to manage all the certificates, which includes revoke, or who has permission to just request certificates. So, and as you can see, this can be Entra ID groups, it can be regular users, and it can be service principals, so you can automate it, because ideally we want to automate it. So then after that, we're going to go here and request a certificate. And in here, we'll automatically add the subject name, and we're going to add Tiffy as a subject alternate name. You can add more stuff. Just do the default validity period that you have set as a PKI admin when you created the CA. And then you have multiple ways of getting the CSR. The first one is kind of like the OG, getting the INF file, and we even tell you how to do it, because personally, I forget every time what's the cert enroll, the cert request command and all that stuff. So we tell you how to do it step by step and everything. However, some people don't want to do that. Some people just want to say, you know what, generate it in my browser. That's how WebEnroll used to do it for me. And you click request certificate. It takes a few seconds and it'll create your certificate. So we can see it here. We have the certificate. Now we can download the PFX. We can download the public key part of it. And then after that, we're going to save it. And now I'm going to open it. I'm going to click next, 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 next. And I have installed it in my computer. Now I can use this certificate. The cool part about it, even though in this one I'm talking about WebEnroll, is we also have a way of automating that. So once you have it, you can run our certificate renewal tool. You set it up as a scheduled task and it will auto-renew the certificates. We have Acme. We have way too many things to cover that I'm not going to cover in this video. We have videos on most of them, and if not, we're working on them. So make sure to check out our YouTube page where you'll be able to learn more. So this is a simple way of how you can enable WebEnroll with a modern register authority that will connect to your existing ADCS, modernizing it and getting it ready for the cloud. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.